Okay, so we are ready to make a little injection. Gonzo, you got some cold spray?
Sure do.
All right. Well, let's get started doing our numbing here first. We have a tourniquet in place, so go right ahead. A little cold, a little sting, and let's get it going. You ready?
Yeah.
Don't kick the doctor.
Kick the doctor, you're blocking the view, by the way.
I'm blocking?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Well, I shouldn't be blocking. You hurting much?
A little.
Just a little bit?
It's a sting.
It's a little stinger?
It's a stinger.
Okay,
Take
so
the
now we're
beat.
going to go on the other side here. Gons, a little
Luckily.
more cold spray, please. Right there.
Whatever you do not kick me either.
All right, stay real still. So we're going to use the tiny, tiny needle first. If Gonzo hadn't frozen it, he froze it.
I did, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So
Oh,
it's-
so you haven't injected me yet?
No, I'm injecting you.
Oh, well, if that's it.
There it is. Well, she froze the needle with cold
Froze the
spray.
needle first.
So the medicine froze inside the needle. All
That's
right.
funny.
It is funny. All right. We're going to swap out the needles real quick and then give you a little deeper injection.
Oh, man.
Please do not stab yourself.
I'm going to try not to.
Dr. Gilmore.
Take that off for me. So I don't stab myself.
And then you get numb
Yeah, right.
for the
Don't
rest of the hour.
have a numb finger, right? Don't ever do more.
Okay, I need something. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We'll have to edit this part out. Well, the good thing is the anesthetic is already starting to work. With that needle was so shallow, I want to make sure that we get the deeper injection, because if we don't, we won't adequately cover the deep nerve. So,
It's true.
yeah, we want to be sure that you are not in any pain when we do this. Thank
Yes.
you kindly.
I don't think I'll ever feel like bad pain unlike the time that I closed the car door on my finger.
Yeah, little stick. Now this shouldn't hurt because you've already got numbing medicine on board.
Oh, gosh.
Am I blocking?
No, you're good.
Good.
The needle's longer, so you're good.
Okay. So we're going a little bit deeper with this one. Make sure we get the medicine down in there around the nerve.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Did you hurt much on that one?
No.
And on the other side now. Good. I think you're going to do just great with this. Good. Yeah.
The green one?
Little push here. You might feel some pressure, but you should not feel any pain.
Oh, wow.
Did you feel anything?
No,
Did
but
you feel
it
some
feels
pressure?
so weird.
Felt kind of weird, huh?
Yeah.
Next, we're going to insert the nail tool,
The clipper.
the famous nail tool.
And you're going to hear that crunch.
You ready for the click?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
That's insane.
Did you like that?
Actually, I'm enjoying this a lot.
Well, I think it's pretty cool that you watched some of our videos so you knew exactly what to expect.
Yeah, I think that's what the misconception is.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people feel that if they don't know what they're going into,
Right.
they get really nervous.
There's a very small percentage of people that say, oh, I don't want to know,
Yes.
But I think the vast majority of people really appreciate knowing. They really,
Yes.
And I'm the same way. If I went in to have a procedure done, I would want to know what's going to be done.
Exactly. And I think because I watched your videos and I took the time to actually read about ingrown toenail procedures, I feel a lot more comfortable knowing what I'm going into instead of
Okay.
being,
Right.
blindsided and then
Right.
you're telling me, oh, well, we're going to have to do this. And then I'm like, what?
You want to know the good news?
What's up?
We're
You're
done.
done.
Yay!
All right, we're going to release the Kraken. We're going to release the tourniquet.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.